Hi, first graders. So today in math, in asynchronous math block, you're going to be taking your topic E quiz. Now we've done this before, but I'm going to show you again. This doesn't link you anywhere today, this picture. Today, this is just directing you to go to your HSD2 portal and click on this button. It looks like it's this black square. It's a Great Minds button. And when you go there, it'll have your to-do list. And at the top of your to-do list, it should be the topic E quiz. Now there might be other green assignments in here, and that just means that you have not completed those yet, but they have been assigned. So once you finish the topic E quiz, you can go and complete any of the other green bars that are there. But today, your main assignment, go to grade 1, topic 1, module 1, topic E quiz, and click on it and take that quiz, please. So to get there one more time, you go to your HSD2 portal, you click on the button that looks like this, and then you click on this green bar that says Topic E Quiz. Have a great rest of your day.